According to national lung associations, every year thousands of premature deaths in North America are caused by particulate air pollution. The annual cost for medical services and missed workdays, billions of dollars. Government reports indicate that mobile source air pollution is a major contributor to our ongoing economic burden, but there are business solutions designed to allow us all to breathe easy.
Air is a magical component on this planet. For a sailboat, it's important. For people, it's critical. So we at Protect Air traveled the world to study inspection and maintenance programs and companies that work in the IM field. Because IM plays a major role within international political agendas, devising solutions to maintain air quality. And we found that there was a need for a new business philosophy, one that is flexible enough to devise solutions as diverse as the needs and jurisdictions of the clients we serve. So in order to preserve the air we breathe, we built a company premised on providing such solutions.
And over the next few minutes, you'll witness the benefits of new technology, Protect Air technology.
What you see here are solutions which address one administration's needs. Unique ideas, solutions, and results are the norm for our clients because every one of our clients has unique needs. We're dealing with government administrations and corporations from North and South America, as well as the Pacific Rim, who see benefit in establishing joint venture and licensing agreements with Protect Air. To be competitive, we believe you have to prove yourself innovative in adaptive technology, technology which must include the basics in order to put wind in your sails. We believe that vision must be linked to the courage of initiative. Here at R&D, we're constantly striving to stretch the adaptability of our software to hardware. In respect to the emission control industry, we offer the following. We consult, design, and administer IM programs. We offer the opportunity to partner in a vast spectrum of joint venture and licensing agreements. And we offer the ability to implement customized corporate installations.
Welcome to Protect Air's world of flexibility. What you're seeing today are just some of the technological capabilities of Protect Air. Whether your administration be in Hong Kong or New York, we feel we have the solutions necessary to meet all of your administrative needs.
Because of that flexibility, we were awarded Ontario's ambitious IM project here in Toronto, Canada. The result? A state-of-the-art facility that opened its doors 2 weeks ahead of schedule and under budget. Because at Protect Air, flexible innovation and cost-effectiveness are accorded mutual respect.
In developing this program, we were looking for a company that showed innovation and flexibility, because part of the program required research and development efforts, which are not the same as a regular I&M program. The pressure testing that they came up with, the methodology, was unique. That showed innovation. And flexibility, it was designing it towards what we wanted rather than towards what everybody else was doing.
Gauging pressurized gas tanks was a problem within the industry, which we overcame by developing our own system that pressurizes in 3 seconds. We took a problem and solved it, because Protect Air is not slideware, technology that impresses only in a slideshow. We promise performance when we can prove delivery. IM240 with purge testing is available for front, rear, and all-wheel drive vehicles. Here we're administering the ASM 5015. With a quick change in software, we could then administer the ASM 2525 or the ASM 2. Once again, we demonstrate Protect Air's flexibility. The difference between the RG240 and IG240 is simply a question of loading the appropriate software. Certain administrations require newer vehicles to undergo standard idle testing. Because Protect Air thinks globally and acts locally, we proactively develop equipment that anticipates new needs. So we've redesigned the loaded mode diesel program to test light and heavy-duty diesel emissions. In North America, light diesel traffic accounts for less than 2% of all vehicles, but in the Far East, fully 52% of all vehicles are light diesel. And our commitment to flexibility is as relevant in Hong Kong as it is in New York.
We had a certain concept of pre-testing, pre-screening, which nobody else is doing basically in the world. And so one had to think of how one was going to approach this, and we got something very unique.
Here in our Toronto facility, smooth implementation begins at the pre-screening area, where the individual's vehicle identification number is decoded by our customized software to determine year, make, model, and engine size without having to be manually entered. The vehicle has now started the process for an effective, efficient lane throughput.
Here's an example of how ProtectAir takes a concept and makes it work. We've adapted remote sensing technologies to work under controlled conditions. Here, a remote sensor sends an infrared beam of light through the exhaust plume of the vehicle. The result? An accurate reading of hydrocarbon, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and NOx. What you've seen here today is a unique application of a real-world technology. We use snapshot analysis under acceleration, cruise, and deceleration in order to simulate real-world driving conditions. We do it all in a controlled environment to eliminate the hazards of rain, sleet, snow, and wind. For you IM administrators out there, think about how people-friendly your IM program can become if you could pre-screen 25 to 30% of the super clean vehicles so that they didn't have to go for more extensive emission testing.
ProtectAir offers gateways to access information for all those connected to the local area network, as well as a firewall to protect corporate data. The point is that we walk the tight wire act of merging program administration interests while being technologically bulletproof in order to safeguard the test data.
Our architecture, in its layered approach, can allow us to use land-based technology or standard communication technology all the way up to the layer of presentation where we use a graphical user interface to make it easy for the user of our system.
The flexibility of lane control software commits us to tailor your program to include other related tests. It can be a value-added incentive or part of a mandated program. Here, side slip is being assessed in order to inform the driver of any alignment problems, because like tire pressure, gas mileage is affected. Air quality is improved and dollars are saved. By being diverse and flexible, we both comply with your regulatory agency while at the same time showing individual drivers that we really do have their best interests at heart.
We respect the need to simplify the communication of data for our customers. As you can see after a thorough inspection, our priority diagnostics are clear and understandable. Individuals can now take their car to a garage and provide a written report indicating what improvements, if any, are needed.
At ProtectAir, we continually travel the world to talk to contractors, administrators, technicians, and educators to find out what kind of problems they're enduring in implementation of IM programs and what kind of solutions they would be looking for in order to make their programs more effective.
They took a look at what we were asking for and developed a package that offered flexibility.
Well, the only thing greater than the scalability of the ProtectAir system is probably its flexibility. It allows us to swap out any equipment manufacturer's piece of equipment or any database or connect using any network that's there. By using a Windows NT and Windows 95 architecture behind the scenes, we can attach to virtually anybody's program, existing or non-existing.
And it's because of our flexibility that we're known as a solutions-based company.
One of ProtectAir's unique and creative solutions is shown on the screen behind me. We call it LiveEye. It's full-motion video tied to live data. It allows your administration or corporate representative to sit in the comfort of their own office while they monitor test sites across your jurisdiction. Here at a typical test site, LiveEye captures full-motion video as well as test data to ensure that a technician can neither willfully nor neglectfully pass a vehicle with known deficiencies. In the top right-hand corner, live data including test number as well as vehicle identification criteria, are being monitored. In the top left-hand corner, we see test second, vehicle speed, number of warnings, and number of violations of the test. This is the heart and soul of LiveEye, real motion video tied to live data.
Protect Air will plan, implement, and administer any type of IM program. Our proprietary software will allow us to deal with a centralized system, a decentralized system, or a hybrid combination of the two. But the point is, the road to clear air continues to be effective maintenance. With over 40 years combined automotive experience, Protect Air's management has the necessary background to address your agenda.
At Protect Air, we have put together a training program that includes knowledge, training, an ESA system, a hotline service, and also priority repair lists for vehicles that are leaving our station. The hotline service will be available for 24 hours a day in order to assist technicians getting identification information to repair problems that they have in the field. Protect Air has put together a knowledge network for training the trainers, for training technicians, and has left the door open to improve and update all of their technical information as future needs require.
With thousands of makes and models on the road, even the most experienced mechanic can't be expected to quickly find every vehicle's emission control components. So our technology is designed to work in your neighborhood where the rubber meets the road.
The Emission Component Identification System, or as we call it, ESIS, is an integral part into our lane control system. It allows a technician to very quickly identify particular components under the hood of a car by just clicking a mouse.
But what we were looking for on the private sector side was expertise in emissions testing and in running a business for that matter.
Protect Air can bring together the needs and the responses necessary so that the implementation of an IM program, no matter how big or how small, is done smoothly, effectively, on time, and on budget.
Because we are committed to job creation, we can train or retrain from within your organization or jurisdiction using indigenous talent. Protect Air will plan, develop, and administer a program that suits your needs. We offer a wide array of joint venture and licensing agreements, and we can put together corporate installations that are on the cutting edge of technology.
Whatever your needs, Protect Air will help you to breathe easy. We link promise to performance. This is our approach to business.